I needed a basic RPG battle map handy in case the group decided to play at my house. Looking around online, I was just searching for something basic and not very expensive. Let us open up the box and see what I got. I purchased this TidyBoss DnD battle map from Amazon.com online as a quick way to get a basic battle map available for my game. There appear to be several different versions of this product available. I purchased just one. The tube is pretty. I guess that is a good sign. I think the tube is meant for the customer to transport their maps in. I do not really need it, but will save it anyway. The tube was well sealed and took some effort to untape and open. Once open, I can pull the contents out and see what is there. It looks like Beholder Garth is interested too. Contents are still wrapped in their original packaging, but let us get them out first and then we can pick through them. These maps came with a set of dry erase markers and an eraser. Not really a surprise, I guess. They also come with a set of relatively ugly dice. I really do not need more dice. I will save the dice to donate to a beginning player sometime. I still remember my first set of dice. They were pretty ugly too. Also included are 4 plastic edge straighteners. I will demonstrate these in just a moment. We will pull out the maps and get a first look at them. The maps themselves are just laminated paper prints of 6 different terrains. One terrain on each side, of course. Because they've been in the tube, they want to curl up on themselves. Now I will reposition the camera for a better angle. Let us lay this out on a table with my top-down camera and see if we can set up a map. We will empty out the contents of the tube again, just as if I had taken them to game night. The markers are rolling everywhere. Still a bit of a struggle to get the maps to come out of the tube. I suppose I could just take one map. I am beginning to think the Book of Battle Maps would have been a somewhat better option. Finally. So I will weigh out the grass map and attach the edge straightening clips. I experimented a bit with just using one clip on one edge. This was not working. To get the map to lay flat, all 4 edge clips are required. While I struggle with this, I am putting up images of other terrain maps that I purchased. There is a wooden floor, some stony ground, it looks like brown dirt, a beach, and of course the grass. Okay, we got this figured out, and the map is laying much flatter now. Let us try drawing a basic map outline on the laminated surface. I used the black marker for this, but it comes with other colors. I just figure the black will show up best on camera. This drawing seems to be working just fine with the provided markers. wonder if it'll work with other dry erase markers. Here's hoping. Check the backside for bleed through, and there is none. Now we will try the dry eraser. Works just fine. To avoid the curling problem, I'm going to store my maps flat since I have a cabinet for this, but this is not necessary. Overall, this is a basic beginning purchase for a battle map. My overall impression is that I did not get a whole lot for my money, but what I did get will work. Maybe if life settles down a bit, I can get a book of maps or a bigger rollout map. We will see. See you in the next video.